Hi neighbors, welcome back to another video cooking with neighbors. It is I, Jerry Ellen, and today we're doing another one pan quick and easy meal, not a lot of ingredients, and it's a 3-cheese pasta bake. I have a pot of water going here, lots of water, some salt, and I have 4 cups of rotini pasta, or you can use fasoli pasta, like something like that. Like has like a corkscrew. Okay. I'm going to put that in my boiling water. And yeah, use lots of water when you're making pasta. And I am going to give this a mix. My oven is preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to go grate some cheese. Here we have it in our spot. Neighbors, I'm cooking this according to the package, directions or whatever. If you want, you can make it a little al dente before it goes in the oven, or just fully cook it. It doesn't matter. It's going to be good. Before I strain the water off, I'm going to reserve at least a half a cup of it, and I'll show you why and what I'm pouring that into or with. It's going to be so good. How's everyone today? Harrietta's getting her nails done on Tuesday, having a spa day. So I strained my pasta, it's done. I buttered a 9x13 casserole dish. I'll put my pasta in. And I have a can of carnation milk, evaporated milk. And it doesn't quite make 2 cups. So with my pasta water, I want 2 cups. So almost a half a cup. Well, it was almost 1 1/3 cup to 1 2/3 cup the evaporated milk, but then I topped it up to be 2 cups, maybe a little bit more. It's okay. I'm going to put it in a bowl because I need to mix some things with it before I put it in here. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of oregano, keeping it simple here, 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes, 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to put some pepper in there. You can salt this if you want. I find that the Parmesan and the cheese is salty, so I don't. I'm also going to put in an egg. Optional, you don't really have to. Crack it in a bowl first. I'm going to get my whisk as well. Where's my whisk? And a can of cream of chicken or cream of mushroom or cream of celery or the cheddar cheese soup, like the cream cheese soup. So one of the cheeses was the Parm. Okay. Now, cheese of choice now. The Parm, when you're making mac and cheese or any kind of cheese bake, some Parm in it. Oh. I have 2 cups of mozzarella and 2 cups of Gouda. But you can use cheddar, sharp cheddar, whatever you like. This is going to be cheesy. I'm going to cover this now. Rack is like the second shelf. Yeah, it's like the second shelf from the bottom. I'm just doing the dishes here. Now, if you find, or if you think maybe save, instead of a half a cup of the pasta water, save a cup, because if you think that you wanted a bit more, like if it looks a little dry or if it looks like you want a little bit more saucy or whatever, add that extra half cup of pasta water. Okay? Now I'm just drying dishes. Now, you can, if you wanted to, if there's things that you don't have, like you don't have garlic powder and onion powder, use whatever seasonings you like that you think would be good with it, or you could just leave them out. Like with the cream of soup and the canned milk and the cheeses, if it's not the end of the world if you don't have some of those spices, you can just omit them if you wanted to. You know, use what you have. You know. Okay, it's been about 25 minutes. It could be 35 minutes for your oven. You want the cheese to melt, be all bubbly and everything hot and everything, you know. And I got one more thing I'm going to add to it. 1 second. I'm going to take it out of the oven. It's got like 40 seconds, so I'll just take it out now. I had the timer on for like 23 minutes. 20. And I had it in for a minute before I put the timer on. Let's see how she's looking. Starting to bubble a bit. I might put it in for another 5. I could do a quick tasty poo to find out if it has to go back in. 1/4 of a cup of softened butter or ghee, if you know. You want that to melt through. And at this point, when you're adding the ghee, if you think that you need a little bit of milk or anything, you can add that. Or when you're adding the butter, I used ghee, but you use butter. Look how cheesy that is. I'm going to do a tasty poo. Yes, indeedly doodly. Cheesy. Cheesy goodness. Tasty poo. Yupper duppers. I'm going to put it in for a few more minutes. Everything's done. It's creamy. It's delicious. It's really good. I just want it to be bubbling a bit more now that I added the butter to it. I'm going to put it, had it in for 25. I'm going to put it in for another 10. Hi. So that extra 10 minutes. And I find that this amount of sauce that we made, just perfect for the amount of pasta. Creamy and delicious. So there you have it. Peace, love, God bless. Come back again, please. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.